What's up, everybody? The 1B here, and I am going to be video editing a video where I create a Jotun thumbnail. I played through that a while back, and I uploaded the VODs, and I have the thumbnail creative process recorded, and I haven't got around to it, so we're going to get that done today. I created a file in here. This is my video editing section, graphic design, video editing part, and we're going to select the folder. This is where it's going to save the stuff. We're going to call it the 1B creates a Jotun thumbnail. Call it V1, version 1. Use dashes, better for SEO, supposedly. Yeah. I should probably check that. I've spouted it enough now. I don't know why that always starts up there. I'm going to have to save that in a thing. You can save your windows, your workspaces. Not something that I've done, but that's something I should do. So this is the project. The file is 123.2020. Let's see, right here. I'm going to drag that in. Import, import, import. Video editing. We'll go over here. Then we're going to grab my end screen. That's basically what I'm doing here is I'm just adding my end screen to the end of this video, chopping any of the beginning off. If the beginning has a little bit of intro lag, you know, me starting the video and then some end part. Let this generate the peaks for the file. Yeah, so I'm basically just video editing right now. Trying to knock out a bunch of stuff. Make sure I have content for every single day. Even though some of this stuff is the same, even though it's not really the same. Try to throw in a little bit of vlog-esque stuff involved while I do it. Usually short videos, right? Good morning. All right. Link these back up. Go ahead and move this. The effects controls, turn up the levels. Something I always say is I'd rather you have to turn me down than not be able to turn me up. The end here, let's make these a little bigger. Maybe I can. Oh, right there. See, this is one of my favorite things about doing this. Like, obviously, I like, you know, I want to do that multiple times. So, that's it for this morning. This is Jotun thumbnail done in Photoshop. Hopefully, it helps you a little bit at all. Documents for me anyway, but that's it. Peace. The reason I do that is it allows me to find a point to cut the end at. And I slam that, boom, trimmed it. And then we go there, select this one, always do the level up. And then we're good. File, save, file, export, media. Everything, all the time, forever. 1B creates a thumbnail. Nope, a Jotun thumbnail. Jotun thumbnail. Version 1. Save. Cue it. Adobe Media Encoder pops up. In a moment. Oh. And as soon as it pops up here, I'm going to be able to hit start queue, and then it's going to render it, and then it's going to be done. And then I'll upload it to YouTube, and currently I have about 5 videos scheduled. And then I'm going to keep adding to that. My goal is to be ahead about between 45 and 60 days so that I can use that cushion to allow me to create more original content. and then also give me a little bit of a break. I want to do some art stuff and other creative stuff, not just video edit. So my goal right now is just bust out as many videos as I can, and then I will start putting out some other stuff. So thanks everybody for watching. I hope you're staying safe, and peace. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you really enjoyed it, and if you did, please click the circle in the middle to subscribe. The rectangle on your left is another video. The rectangle on your right is a playlist of other videos that you may enjoy. Thanks again. Peace.